Hi there, I'm Connor. I'm so excited to welcome you to my online English classroom. I'm from South Africa, a country full of energy, and I think that spirit comes through in every lesson I teach. I hold a TEFL and TESOL certificate, a Bachelor's of Commerce degree, and a higher education diploma. So you're in qualified hands. I am an experienced teacher and did 5 years online tutoring as well. So I understand to help learners grow in English worldwide. What makes my classes different? Teaching is my passion. I bring energy to every single session. I use interactive methods to keep you engaged, thinking, and actually enjoying the process. See you in my classroom very soon.